Welcome to all. The topic of my lecture is instrumentation used in HPLC. An important part of the instrumentation used in HPLC are the pumps. The principal problem that has to be overcome in the development of HPLC was the design of suitable pumps. The requirements for a suitable pump are severe and they include the generation of pressures up to 6000 psi, pulse-free output, flow rates ranging from 0.1 ml to 10 ml per minute, flow control and flow reproducibility of 0.5% or more, corrosion resistant components, that is, they should be seals of stainless steel or Teflon. Usually three types of pumps are employed in HPLC apparatus. The first are the reciprocating pumps. These pumps are currently the most widely used and they consist of a small chamber in which the solvent is pumped by the back and forth motion of a motor driven piston. The solvent is in direct contact with the piston. As an alternative, pressure may be transmitted to the solvent via a flexible diaphragm, which in turn is hydraulically pumped by a reciprocating piston. Reciprocating pumps have the disadvantages of producing a pulse flow which must be damped because its presence is manifested as baseline noise on the chromatogram. The advantages of reciprocating pump include their small internal volumes from 35 to 400 microliters, their high output pressure up to 10,000 psi, their ready adaptability to gradient elution, and their constant flow rates, which are independent of column back pressure and solvent viscosity. The second types of pumps which are used in HPLC are known as the displacement pumps or the syringe pumps. Displacement pumps usually consist of a large syringe-like chambers equipped with a plunger that is activated by a screw-driven mechanism powered by a motor. These pumps produce a flow that tends to be independent of viscosity and back pressure. In addition, the output is pulse-free. However, the disadvantage includes limited solvent capacity, less than 250 ml, and considerable inconvenience when solvents must be changed. The third type of pumps which are used in HPLC are known as the pneumatic pumps or the constant pressure pumps. In the simplest pneumatic pumps, the mobile phase is contained in a collapsible container which is housed in a vessel that can be pressurized by a compressed gas. Pumps of this type are inexpensive and pulse-free. However, they suffer from limited capacity and pressure output, as well as dependence of flow rate on solvent viscosity and column back pressure. In addition, they are not amenable to gradient elution and are limited to pressures less than about 2000 psi. Now, the use of these pumps create high pressures and the high pressures generated by these pumping devices, they do not constitute an explosion hazard because the liquids which are used are not very compressible. Thus, rupture of a component of the system results only in solvent leakage. However, such leakage may constitute a fire hazard. As part of the pumping systems, many commercial instruments are nowadays equipped with computer controlled devices for measuring the flow rate by determining the pressure drop across a restrictor located at the pump outlet. Any difference in the signal from a preset value is then used to increase or decrease the speed of the pump motor. Most instruments also have a means for varying the composition of the solvent either continuously or in a stepwise fashion. Thank you.